Hello and welcome back to Birding Today. I'm Thomas Doerig. Today we're going to have another equipment review session, a little bit of a different one. We're going to be looking at the QuietComfort 45 headphones from BOSE, which I got recently. Haven't opened them yet, so I just thought I'd do a little unboxing for you and see how we go. This is the case it comes in. I bought this in the retail store. I've already opened the bottom here to make it easier. So let's go ahead and take this off. And open up this nice little black box here. Nice little box. So the first thing that we have in the case is, well, the carrier case. So these are designed to carry the headphones. They look nice and solid. You've got a nice little zipper here. And the headphones are already in here. So, like I said, I haven't opened this yet, so this is exactly how it comes. It's got little protective casings there that can just drop off. Be careful with it here. There we go. And so you have obviously the right hand side and left hand side imprinted on the inside of each ear. So left and right like this. So they look a bit like this, and straight away I can tell that the noise cancelling quality of the headphones are definitely present. And so according to the website here, in the case we've got obviously the headphones, the carry case. The next thing that we have is a USB-C charger, which comes with it, which is a bit hard to open, and it looks quite short as well. This is it, and also is the 3.5mm to 2.5mm audio cable. So I'm not sure how long this specific one is. So there are different sizes. Each length is a bit of a different size there, as you can see. And this obviously is going to be what connects, if you want to use the cable, is what connects here, the small one. And then this is the normal jack that can be used on any phone or laptop. So that's what I quite like about these, that you can have the Bluetooth and the cable, which is nice. So putting that aside for 1 minute, the cable. Just a bit of a close-up on the headphones themselves. They're very flexible. You can turn them around like that. And so you can also adjust, obviously, the top of them. Nice sort of clicky sound there. And you can also adjust them while they're on your head, like that. Okay, and there we go. What else do we have in here? So obviously a little manual, the BOSE support paperwork here, which comes sort of with any big purchase like this. And then these are the safety instructions that I guess they have to put in there too. So there we have it. And so obviously, judging by the website again, the BOSE official website, these are also Bluetooth enabled. They've got a Bluetooth range of up to 9 meters apparently, which is quite impressive. And so the Bluetooth is activated by this little button here. I'm not sure if these have come charged. Yes, it looks like they have. Oh. Wow. And so I'm hearing a sort of introductory music when the Bluetooth is on. To start setup, download the BOSE Music app. So it's all quite self-explanatory if you're familiar with headphones, but again, the noise cancelling aspect is amazing. I can barely hear my own voice talking now. But this is just an unboxing, just to tell you guys how it's going. I'm going to use this for my video editing stuff, mostly. So in terms of pricing, these cost $495. at a retail store, JB Hi-Fi, if you're in Australia. If you're overseas, they're probably about the same price. The Bose official website is $499 AUD, I think AUD. But they are in the mid to high price range for headphones, definitely. So they're not budget headphones. They're good quality. Obviously branded Bose on both sides. So there you have it. Just wanted to make a quick little unboxing for you, and see what happens with the headphones in the long run. And thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Hope it was useful if you're considering these. Thank you. Bye.